Hi, and welcome to Lesson 13, Week 13, Religion 325. This week you're going to study sections 135 through 138. It's pretty simple this week, but let me just give you a couple of little hints that'll help you do well and finish strong for the term. Again, read the sections, read the study material from the Doctrine and Covenants commentary and the student manual. Take your assessment. Um, you'll be right up the same as we've done the last most of the whole term. Then the research and writing assignment has got two parts. So again, it's got to be between the two parts between 500 and 600 words. It's a two-part activity. So you're going to label this first part 1, and then you're going to answer this question. You're going to carefully review and ponder the three quotes below on the 14 fundamentals of following the prophet by President Benson. So you've got these quotes here. You can also link here and see the whole talk. It's a great talk. I would encourage you to read it. But again, part 1, 2 or 3 paragraphs on why continuing revelation is so essential to us as a church and a people. Then you're going to have the research part 2. Okay? So here's again a couple of things. Carefully review and ponder the two quotes below, right here. Then complete this two-step activity designed to provide counsel and words of divine wisdom for living prophets. These are two great quotes. And then here's what you're going to do. So you have part 2. And then there's two parts to part 2. Number 1, prayerfully identify 2 personal topics you feel are important issues facing you at this time in your life. These are some good ones here. You might find some others. So you're going to part 1 is you identify the topics. And then part 2 of part 2 is to gather 4 quotes or statements with references on each of the 2 topics for a total of 8 quotes made by the first presidency of the Quorum of the 12 Apostles. So that's pretty simple. So when this is over in part 2, you're going to have your 2 topics, and you're going to have 2 quotes with references on each topic. Sorry, I said that wrong. You're going to gather 4 quotes on each of the top 2 topics, so there are 8 quotes in total. Okay. So if you're having trouble finding them, this is a great way to search. This hyperlinks to the LDS site when you click Advanced Search. You can narrow things down to the First Presidency and the Quorum of the 12 under the office icon. Then select Advanced Search at the bottom of the screen to begin your search. So anyway, that's pretty simple. You might want to pick one of these topics or whatever it is as your final discipleship learning project report. Maybe you've already done something, I hope, for that, but that'll be due next week. And so there'll be some more instructions coming as to how to finish strong next week as the week progresses. So anyway, the Teach One Another assignment and the reflection posts are the same. If you have questions, send me an email or give me a call. Hope you do well this week. Keep it simple and straightforward, and you'll probably do just fine.